Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Obsidian Sync for cross-device knowledge capture, complete guide step by step clearly. To start using Obsidian Sync for cross-device knowledge capture, first, ensure you have the latest version of Obsidian installed on all devices. Open Obsidian on your primary device. Navigate to the settings menu by clicking on the gear icon in the bottom left corner. Locate the sync option in the settings list. If you don't have an Obsidian account, you will need to create one by clicking on the Sign Up button. Follow the prompts to enter your email address and choose a password. After creating your account, return to the sync settings and log in using your new credentials. Once logged in, enable the sync service by toggling the switch to the on position. Next, select the folders you would like to sync. You can choose to sync your entire vault or specific folders within it. Make sure to review the options available such as file versioning and conflict resolution settings. After configuring your preferences, click the Save button to apply the changes. Now, open Obsidian on your second device. Again, navigate to the Settings menu and select Sync. Log in with the same Obsidian account credentials used on your primary device. Once logged in, enable the sync service on this device as well. Your notes and settings will begin to sync automatically. Check the sync status to ensure all files are up to date. As you capture knowledge across devices, changes will reflect in real time. You can now access and edit your notes seamlessly on any device with Obsidian Sync enabled. Congratulations, you have successfully set up Obsidian Sync for cross-device knowledge capture. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.